Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you present perfect tense. So in previous lesson I taught you about present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is also called progressive tense. So let's get started. So present perfect tense. So this tense, present perfect tense, tell us the about the past and the present, and it links the past with the present. So present perfect tense is used for past action which have results now. For example, Mr. Ram Lal has gone to Delhi. That means now he is not here, so he gone to Delhi. We have bought a car. So this is another example. That means we now have a car. So and where present perfect tense is not used. So past time words like or phrases like yesterday, last night, last week, 5 days, in 1950, etc. These types of words, past time words or phrases are not used in present perfect tense. So now I will tell you how to make affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence and its pattern and structure. So first, affirmative sentence. I am writing in short. A means affirmative. So its pattern is subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object. So its pattern is subject plus has, have plus verb third form plus object in affirmative sentence. So it is also called positive sentence. Okay, for example, I have bought a car. I have bought a car. So why I have written have in this sentence? So the subject is I. So let me tell you uses of has and have. So if the subject is third person singular number, he, she, it, or any singular name, we used to write has with the subject. Okay, we have to write has. And if the subject is first person, second person, and third person plural number, that means I, we, they, you, etc. Okay, with this subject have is used. The subject is I, so I have written the helping verb have, and the main verb must be always in third form in present perfect tense. So this is the structure or pattern to form or to make present perfect tense affirmative sentence. Now I am going to tell you how to make or form negative sentence. N means negative. I am writing in short form. Okay. So subject plus has, have plus not plus verb third form plus object. So in negative sentence we have to add not. Okay, before the main verb. Before main verb we have to write not. So and in all the sentences like affirmative and negative sentence, so at the end of each sentence we put full stop. Okay, let me show you one example. I have not bought a car, and the verb and the main verb is written always in third form, in affirmative sentence, negative sentence, and also in interrogative sentence. So the verb should be in third form. So this is the pattern to form negative sentence. Now interrogative sentence. Interrogative means the sentence which asks questions. जो सेंटेंस हमें सवाल पूछते हैं वैसे सेंटेंस को हम इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस कहते हैं। तो मैंने पहले भी पिछले वीडियो में भी बताया था। सो इन लास्ट वीडियो ऑल्सो आई हैव टॉट यू दैट इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, yes no type and WS word type. So here I am going to show you yes no type interrogative sentence pattern. So in interrogative sentence the helping verb will come before the subject. Has or have plus subject plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. So this is yes no type interrogative sentence. So in WS word type interrogative sentence, so I will tell you the formula also. Okay, so first WH word, after WH word has have is written plus subject plus verb third form plus object plus question mark. So this is the pattern. Okay, to form interrogative sentence in present perfect tense, yes no type or WH word type interrogative sentences. So for today's video lesson only this much. If you have any doubt or question, please comment below. Thank you.